Hello there. How are you doing? This is Linda Swanigan, Apostle Linda Swanigan, Chief Apostle Linda Swanigan, Sister in the Lord, or whatever I am to you. But to God, I'm His child. I'm His daughter. Amen. Just like you are His daughter or son. God bless you. I was just sitting here thinking, meditating, and of course, praying and just excited about the things that the Lord is doing. And I'm excited about the upcoming uh, spiritual coaching class that I will be doing. I am so excited about this class. And I spoke briefly about it with my ministry team today, and they are excited as well. And somebody had asked me, is it just for women? No, it's for anyone that is seeking to excel in their spiritual walk or their spiritual calling in the Lord. Uh, many times we seek to excel in the secular world. We go to school, we uh, do additional online courses just to, excel in the secular world, to get a better job or make more money. And I just feel like we should do the same in the kingdom to be our best. Amen. And there are some that who may have already attended a seminary or took some theology courses, but still kind of stagnant in your ministry calling or don't have clarity. And I want to be able to help in those areas that I can help you in spiritual coaching you along the way. And this is only for those who feel like they may need it. I know everybody don't need this or may not need this, and that's fine. But this is a call and a clarion call to those that may need it and would like to be involved with this spiritual coaching that I'm offering. I have several that have already registered for it, and I'm constantly seeking the Lord daily on uh, the presentation. And I'm just excited with everything that God has given me and how to present this. And it's just such a blessing. I was visiting Bishop Marion Robinson and Dr. Robinson yesterday, and he blessed me with some books. Oh, he's a powerful author. And for the first, I don't know how many books I have just now, maybe 9 or 10. But for the first people that do register, they will get a free book in their package. And he just said this is just something to bless you with, that you can bless those that are attending your coaching class. So it's going to be great, and I'm excited. And the one interesting thing, there are several interesting things, but one of the things that the Lord has blessed me, those that have registered for the class, God has been ministering to me concerning them individually, so I can speak into their lives prophetically. So I'm excited about that. I'm just excited about this class. And reach out to me if you